Hello. Hello. Hello, Will. Would you like to say something to Luke and Elizabeth? Are we decorating him? I can't see his face. Oh, that's very nice. You know what? Put your hand near his hand. Put your hand near his hand for me. Look at the difference in the size of the hands. Holy majolies. Oh.
I'm going to turn down a little louder.
Make it a little louder?
I guess he wants to watch Ben 10.
You think so?